At the moment it detects a crash starting, the seatbelt has pretensions located either side of me. They fire and the belt clamps you down into the seat. Well, the door opens. How are you?
Quite enough generation of heat.
Yeah. How do you feel? How fast were you going when you went in?
Last time I looked about 30. So it was 30, ish, 30.
About the speed?
About the speed of a general mum going to the shops with the kids.
The airbags went off. Did you feel anything else happen with the seatbelts and pretensions or anything?
I'm glad I went to the toilet before we did this, because this has really pulled me straight hard into the seat. The lap strap across your waist, I felt really tugged me back hard, and it's still uncomfortable to sit here at the moment.
According to American research, car accidents are the most common reason for pregnant women visiting hospital. For the fetus, car accidents are the principal cause of fatal injuries.
Well, I think the most important thing to remember is that we know so little about what happens to pregnant women in car accidents. The information that is available today comes mainly from the United States, and there are indications that more women actually die in traffic accidents than during complications associated with pregnancy in hospitals. So this is obviously something that is important for us to study closer.
Car crashes potentially can pose a danger to the baby at all stages of pregnancy. It's very important that the belt always lay over the shoulder and between the breasts and to the side of the pregnant belly. And very, very important also is that the lap belt is as low as possible under the belly and laying over the pelvic bones.
Australian invented and crash tested tummy shield redirects force away from the abdomen to the thigh and pelvis area. It takes seconds to fit and can also benefit sufferers of other abdominal conditions. The new Tummy Shield. A lifetime of protection starts now.